Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings so you land directly on the monitor layout. Once there, identify the primary display number shown at the top. You will keep that one. Make sure to disconnect any docking station or adapter for the monitors you plan to disable. Doing that first prevents mirroring or stubborn duplicates and speeds the next steps. You now select the extra monitor by clicking its numbered rectangle in the layout. This tells Windows which screen to change. From the Multiple Displays drop-down, choose Disconnect this display so Windows stops sending a signal. This is cleaner than Show only because it frees resources. Once you apply, verify the screen goes dark. If not, repeat for each extra monitor until only your primary remains active. You finish by confirming only the primary monitor is listed as active in Display Settings, and then close Settings. If a disabled display reappears, make sure to update or reinstall the GPU drivers. Outdated drivers often resurrect phantom displays. Once done, restart the PC and reconnect peripherals one at a time to isolate any hardware that forces multiple displays. This method solves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.